How to fix EA launcher not launching games. Now, the first method we need to do is going to be clearing the data cache and cookies from the game itself. All I have to do is press on Windows and then type in run. From here, you'll have to type %local app data % and click OK. Now you will be routed to your local folders. From here, you'll need to find Electronic Arts and then EA Desktop. Now to clear cache and cookies for EA game, you'll just have to delete these two folders right here. Then close it. Second method is gonna be going to your advanced system settings. Just click on your Windows icon there and type in advanced system settings. Now from here, you'll have to click on environment variables. If there will be game data that shows under variable, you'll have to delete it. For example, this one. Just click on the game data and then click delete. Now once everything is done, let's proceed on the next troubleshooting step. Just making sure that your time settings is currently sync with your PC. So go to Windows, date and time settings. Now from here, you'll have to make sure that set time automatically is turned on and then click on sync now. Now once everything is set up, you'll just have to restart your PC and then relaunch your games on your EA launcher. So that's how you fix EA launcher not launching games.